I think every mother is concerned about a child's immunity right from when they are born, because you know, you want to breastfeed because that means immunity. You want your child to be strong. So I breastfed for a long time, for almost 11 months. So immunity was a concern, and it's a concern, I suppose, for every single mom. And at every age and stage, you're concerned about immunity. All through the twos, you know, he would catch every infection that was going around, and I'd say, you know, I breastfed for so long. Why is he still falling sick? But at the end of the day, as a mom, you should also know that when he's falling sick, he's building his own immunity up. I mean, you can't keep your child also in a sterile environment where, you know, they're not exposed to anything, because I mean, scraping knees, getting a fever now and then is all a part of growing up. Am I right? I'm not speaking as any expert here, but I'm just saying as a mom, you're concerned about immunity, you're concerned about your child falling ill. And at times I used to say, no, Veer, you shouldn't do this. You shouldn't go into the swimming pool. You shouldn't go and play. The weather's turned. It might be too cold for you. But of late, I have, as I said a little while ago, adopted this Yes Mom approach. And there was this lovely social media campaign started by Cipla about how it's important to become a yes mom, because it's about, you know, letting your child be, letting your child free, letting your child develop his personality, his or her personality, you know. So I have become a yes mom, and I must share this with you. When I was a no mom, Veer used to always call me boss girl. He used to sit on the seat next to me and says, Mama, you're tough. You're the boss girl. And of late, now, since I've become a yes mom, he's started saying to me, Mama, you're my best friend. And I think that it really feels that every single day. He says it to me at least twice a day. He plays a song for me on the radio every morning, on the music every morning, which is called "You've Got a Friend in Me." So he started looking to me as a friend as well now. So it's very important to have taken on this yes mom approach. Having said that, discipline-wise, we still have to say no, right, moms?
Mandira ma'am, would you want to say something to all the lovely moms? They've been participating in the Yes Mom Challenge. Well, and they're right here.
Continue saying yes, because yes brings out wonderful things in your own child, and you discover things about your child that maybe you never knew, sides and traits, personality traits that you never knew they had. So continue doing that. Of course, discipline is still very important. Between my husband and me, there'll always be one who's the worst cop. There's a good cop and a bad cop. I'm trying not to be a bad cop. I'm a less good cop sometimes. But saying no is important when it comes to disciplinary matters. But as far as concerns for your child go, when it comes to health, when it comes to should he be playing out, you know, he or she's going to be exposed to germs. Should he or she be touching that? Little bit of, you know, little bit of scraping of the knees, a few fevers here and there. They're all signs that things are going well. So be a yes mom in that respect. That is the only thing I can say. It's worked really well for me. I've got a new best friend and a new running partner. So that's my advice to you.
लहरे ने 30 साल कंप्लीट कर लिए हैं, सो मैं आपको मुबारकबाद देना चाहूँगा।